How to cancel Midjourney AI subscription. So if you want to cancel your Midjourney subscription, it's actually quite very simple to do so. If you bought the premium for Midjourney AI, so open up your browser, then just go to midjourney.com, and this is the kind of interface that you will be able to see here. Now, once you do this, basically what you have to do is from the bottom left, you can see this option called My Account. So if you have a subscription, go to My Account, and here you can see the option called Manage Subscription. So just click on the Manage Subscription option. Now, in my case, I don't have a subscription. That is why it is asking me to purchase a subscription. If you already have a subscription, then you'll find the option to cancel it instead of subscribing it. Just click on the cancel button and remove your card or any payment details that you want to, and then the subscription will be successfully cancelled. Remember that after you cancel it, you won't be able to create images or do other stuffs on Midjourney that it is related to. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.